Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. And now for our word of the week. Our word of the week is rejuvenate. Rejuvenate means to make someone or something younger again or give new life or vitality. Some synonyms, remember the S in synonym, the S in same, mean to refresh, to restore, revitalize. Antonyms or opposites would be to decay, decline, or degenerate. Our sample sentence: a vacation to the beach helped me rejuvenate my body and mind. So basically, rejuvenate is when you refresh yourself, and it could be something mental that you're refreshing yourself with, something physical. After a hard workout, for example, you might refresh yourself or rejuvenate by taking a nice relaxing bath. So rejuvenation is basically a refreshing. All right, if you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.